Welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss about how to find out frequency table and descriptive statistics using Jamovi software. First, let us discuss about how to find out frequencies using Jamovi. First, go to exploration, click this and click descriptives. So here we have our variables. For which variables we want to find out descriptive statistics. Let us select gender, age, education qualification, marital status and type of family, and using this arrow we can move the variables from this side to this side. Just no need to do anything in this box. Come to here, just you click frequency table, you can get the frequency table. Suppose you want to draw any diagram, you can select or you can tick bar diagram, you can get the diagrams. So let us see here, you can get the descriptive statistics. We have 350 samples, missing value is 0, mean, median and standard deviation. Let us come down, we can have a frequency table for all these variables. So that is total count, percentage and cumulative percentage. Frequency for all the tables. Then you can have plot for all the variables selected. So this is the simplest method for calculating frequencies and descriptive statistics using Jamovi. Thank you.